Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a water basin. Design is created here, and okay, and this project is kitchen water basin is designed here, and this project is a small project, and this is a beautiful project design here. And this project is all process is learn here one by one, and all a step is deeply and clearly learn here. Okay guys, this project is a kitchen water basin is marble, and this is a beautiful project. Okay, and this is a multi-section view is drawing here, and use a this body is a isometric view. Okay, and this is isometric view, and this is a okay, this project is a beautiful, and this is a back side is design here, a look is perfect. Okay, 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 let's start design here. Okay, okay, at first mechanical design, and select a part design, and select a plane is okay, plane is XY plane, and create a and center rectangle, draw here, and mention any dimension. This dimension is to 20 millimeter. Okay, to 20 millimeter, and this width is a 160. Okay, this is a perfect. 150 is better. Okay, and exit. Okay, and select a pad command is used here, and this pad is a 85 is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and this material is a raw material, and this is a use a create this body, this 3D body is use a kitchen water basin is design here, and this plane is all plane is hide because this project and this body is looking perfect. At first select this face and say sketch. Okay, okay, and at first draw any corner rectangle is a draw here, this is a perfect. And again a corner rectangle is draw here a perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And one by one editing corner. Okay, this corner is a 16 millimeter is correct. And again select this corner is a 4 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect. And some relation is a this and this relation. Okay, this is a this, and control button and press control button and select this line, and this relation is a okay parallel is correct. And again select this, press control button and this, select both, and click, and parallel is a okay, this is a perfect. Some dimension is mentioned here. At first this, and okay, this and this line and this line is a correct. And okay, this line and this line is a correct. Okay, this distance between is this, and okay, this line is a perfect, and okay, this line and this line also, this, okay, all is perfect. Okay. Okay, this line is not, at first select, undo is a, okay, this is a, okay, this line is a, okay, undo, some relation is mistake here, this is a not perfect, okay, okay, this line, control press button, and this is a relation is a parallel, okay, not perfect, and this line and this is a, and okay, parallelism is a, okay. Okay, coincident is also perfect, and this line, control press button, and this is a coincident is also perfect, okay, all is perfect, and design, dimension, any dimension, this, and this line is a, this also, this is a, this line and this line is perfect, and also this line, this is a perfect, okay, this is a between distance, and select, okay, this line and this is a, this, okay, all is green color and all is perfect, okay, this is a 20 millimeter is perfect, and the also 20 millimeter is also perfect, this is a 1110 millimeter is perfect, and also 1110 millimeter is perfect, okay, and this is a 15 millimeter is perfect, and this is 30 millimeter is perfect, okay, all is looking perfect, but this is a 120 is better, but this is 120 is also better, okay, this is looking perfect, all is correct, and this is a 15, and also 15 is better, okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a 36 is correct, and then exit, okay, and soft pocket command is used here, this is a, and this is a 74 is correct, all is looking perfect, and some edit command is edge fillet is used here, and this corner, this edge point is a 20 millimeter is correct, but 15 millimeter is better, and edit this, this is a 4 millimeter is correct, okay, all is looking perfect, and select this face and sketch here, and corner rectangle again, okay, this is a corner rectangle is draw here, and mention dimension is a, this length is, and again select this width is a, this length is a, length is 210 is better, but this length is a 1, this length is a 130, okay, and this distance between this, and again select this distance between this distance is a 12 is correct. 8 is perfect. Okay, this is a 8 is 10 is also better. Okay, 6 is better. Okay, 5 is correct, and also this is a 8 is okay. 8 is perfect, but select this line, and this is a okay. Not perfect. Okay, this is a delete here, and delete again, and select this body is looking perfect, and again this is a draw here, and okay, this is a delete here, this is a okay, and also this is a delete, and select this body is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is a perfect looking here, this is a correct, and exit, and use a pocket command is used here, and this is a 6 is correct, but 6 is a 8 is also perfect. Okay, okay, and again some fillet command is used here, and select this, this is a 8 is perfect. Okay, more, but 5 is also better, and also this edge is a 2 is perfect. Okay, all is correct here. Okay, and select this face, and sketch, and draw a some circle is draw here, a middle point, this is a this middle point is a draw here, and this per body is a perfect, and again select this, okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and exit, and pocket command is used, and select a up to last. Okay, click okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. This face is click here, and some circle is draw here. Okay, this is a this circle is a draw here, this is a perfect, and select and use a translate command is use here, and this is a 10 instance is 10, and okay, click this point, and okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, but 10 is more, 7 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and exit, and use a pocket command, and this is a up, this dimension is a 5 is correct. Okay, okay, this is a pocket command is used here, and this dimension is a 5 4 millimeter, and direction is downward, because this is a looking upward direction, and this is downward direction because this direction is upward. Downward direction is correct, preview is showing here, and this is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and some use of cell command is used here, and this face, this is a all back side, and all is a fill, Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect. This body is draw here. Okay, and some use a boundary command is used here, and this is a use a and generative sheet metal design here. And okay, click OK and use a tear drop. Okay, not use here. Okay, 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 this body is perfect, and this use a material. This select and use a material is a marble. This a stone is a marble is a this. Okay, this is a looking perfect. All is a looking perfect. This body is a design here, and all is a looking so nice. Okay, and this isometric view is drawing here and looking. This is a multi-section view is also draw here. This is a okay, this body is a back side. This body is a back side, and this all is perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay guys, okay, okay guys, guys, this water kitchen water this kitchen water basin is designed here easily and clearly. And guys, all process is learn here a step to a step. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Next project is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.